Okay, hello again. So part 2 of the video, I just wanted to go over some of the documents that you're going to need to read through and sign. This first one you're going to have signed by your mentor director. You're going to have to sign it, and I'll sign it as well. And basically what this is called our Director Practicum contract, and it just has a list of kind of the roles that each of us will be playing during this practicum. So what my role is, what your role is, and what your cooperating director's role is as well. As I kind of put up here as a disclaimer, a lot of the things on this practicum contract are kind of behavioral and professional expectations. It doesn't really necessarily pertain to the specific responsibilities and tasks that you'll be completing throughout your practicum. But again, I just want you to be aware of some of kind of the foundational things that need to be represented throughout this practicum, and what my role is and what your mentor director role is as well. So it's not an all-inclusive of like your list of tasks and responsibilities. So I want you to read through this just so you're aware of what is expected is in this capacity. Your cooperating director will read this as well. And then you'll sign, they will sign, and I will sign as well. And so once you sign off on this, you can scan this document, and then it's something that you will need to upload to this assignment link here. There's a few different things that you can upload within that one link. You can attach multiple documents there, so that's one of the documents that you will attach in this assignment link right here. The next thing I wanted to bring your attention to is a confidentiality agreement. I'm going to be quite candid. The first year I did this practicum with students, I had a student that went on to accept a teaching position within the school. The student was a wonderful practicum student. The directors loved this student and was wonderful. I have been in touch with the directors over the past couple of years because I've placed students in that same location, and they had communicated that the student has become kind of a gossip and has used some of that knowledge that they received, that confidential information that they received during their practicum, and have kind of been gossiping about it. And so that really hurts my heart, and I just think that that's very unprofessional. And so I just kind of use that as a lesson to kind of share with you and to encourage you to be professional, to uphold that professionalism. And hopefully this confidentiality agreement will help you understand the importance of that. And you're going to be privy to a lot of sensitive information. You're going to have access to employee records and student records, and you're going to probably find out about some custody arrangements, and maybe even you're going to know a lot of stuff. And so within that, you need to know that you need to keep that confidential. You're not free to talk with other people in the center. You're not free to talk to even your peers within this class about those types of things. You need to keep them confidential, and you need to just save them to share with. If you need to share something, you can share it with myself because I will keep it confidential as well. You can talk about that with your mentor director. But please make sure that you remain professional and keep all that sensitive information communicated. And again, I even put in here too, if you happen to get hired on, knowing that information, you need to continue to keep that confidential. You can't let any of that information slip to your colleagues and use that as a gossiping point or anything. So please just make sure that you are professional. So you'll need to print, sign, and date this, and again, you will upload this to the same assignment link here as well. And then this here is I just wanted to share with you the checklist that your mentor director will be receiving and what they need to do within the first week. This is all the information that they should be going over and doing with you so that you know that. And I've given them a copy of this already, but I'm going to again give them another copy of this so that they're aware of that. And then this is just a list of the types of experiences that we want you to have within your practicum. Again, you're going to probably doing above and beyond this stuff, but these are the types of tasks that we want you to at least have experience with in some capacity. And so that's there for you to see what your expectations are. And then the last thing that you need to sign off on and upload is just this receipt of your syllabus, that you understand the syllabus, that you've read it, and that you are held accountable for what is inside of it. So that is what you need to sign and scan and upload here. So this assignment link here, you can click into it. You can attach multiple documents. You're going to need to have that signed confidentiality agreement, the director practicum contract, the syllabus receipt, and then a schedule. So the first three documents are included in your syllabus, and this last one is something that you'll need to create. So you'll need to, you can even submit a calendar to me of the next few months of when you're going to be at your center, what hours you're going to be at your center, and that way I will know when you're there, and then you can have a copy and your director can have a copy as well. So I think that is all the information I am going to lay on you at this time. I hope that this isn't too overwhelming. Again, if you have any questions about anything, let me know. I am excited for you to start in your centers. It should be just a really exciting time for you to get all this experience and to find out what it's really like to be a director. And I will be talking with you guys soon. So have a wonderful day, and I will be in touch. Bye-bye.